finally found it! The perfect balance of heat and flavor. This is my absolute favorite hot sauce. It is really spicy and tastes so good. I do really recommend Zazou Spices. Wow, that is amazing. It has the perfect kick. Hey everyone! Have to come over for dinner tonight. Look at the time! I am late! Bye! Hi, it's me. I'm running late. Traffic is awful. See you soon.